Science all around us, electron transitions, fireworks. This is a little video that I took from a firework display this summer, and I'm sure you've seen many of them just like that, but when I sit and look at fireworks shows, I look at the different colors, the blast, the light, the energy being emitted, and all of this is due to electrons going from a high energy state to a low energy state. The low energy state is electrons existing close to a nucleus that's positive, that has the protons. Given energy by different means, okay, a fuse or a fire, these electrons jump to high energy states, and when they come back, they give off their extra energy. So they go from a ground state low energy to a higher energy state by initial energy, and that high energy state, that excited unstable state, jumps back. Now when they jump back, these are called quantum leaps. From a position farther away from the nucleus, they give up their extra energy. But what's really cool is the energy given off. These different elements have different energies associated with their leaps of electrons farther away, excited back to their ground state. Why? Because they have different number of protons, different attractions, and also different electron-electron repulsions. The different lights we see represent different metals, like your flame test labs you've done, okay, in a regular chemistry class. So it's very interesting, the colors and light we see from electrons jumping back with the light bulb or fireworks, and they're different colors or different electron transitions back to the nucleus.